Wagwan, beautiful people. Welcome once again. Another episode of Cooking with Nino. Welcome back to my channel. All my food enthusiasts, it's great to have you back. I want to share with you an experience I had recently in Jamaica as I went to that tropical paradise and experienced some breadfruit and fried fish. And I'm going to share all that with you, so come cook with me. All right, guys, here we go with a breadfruit and a fried fish recipe. Now, the breadfruit is a fruit that grows on a tree in Jamaica, and it has to be roasted. I think in Jamaica, they roast them on the outside. But however, in Canada or other places, you can roast them in the oven. It works just as well. And what will happen is once it's roasted, it's got an outer crust that we need to remove, as well as the heart needs to be removed. And then you've got this bread-like fruit that you've got to slice. You slice it up as thick or as thin as you'd like. And what you do is you will then sprinkle a bit of salt on it. And what the salt will do is it will burst the flavor and allow the breadfruit flavor to come out. And it's really delicious. From there, you want to add some oil to your frying pan. Put it on a medium heat. Then you place your sliced breadfruit in the pan with the oil and allow them to get nice and golden brown. Once you get that complete, you can start cutting up all your vegetables, your tomatoes and your peppers, as well as your Scotch bonnet pepper, which has got a little bit of heat to it. And you're also going to need some onions, which you'll slice. Keep an eye on those breadfruit though, because we want to get them nice and golden brown. You don't want to overcook them or burn them. And our fish, we pre-fried our fish earlier.
Don't worry guys, we have the step-by-step instructions on how to prepare Jamaican-style Escovitch fish. We'll put the link in the description below, or we'll put a link at the end of the video.
Here, you just place your fish in the frying pan with all the vegetables and just get them getting to know each other. Just get maybe a little bit of maybe a spoonful, a teaspoon of vinegar. That's white vinegar. Just add that to the fish. Just cover it up. Allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. And my goodness, you got a delicious breadfruit and fried fish. It is absolutely scrumptious. And we'll have all the description in the link below. Well, guys, that was just me taking you to enjoy one of my favorite meals that I had while I was in Jamaica. If you're interested in learning how to cook more Jamaican dishes and other international dishes, do check out one of my playlists, and we will see you next time.